The game of cricket actually started some 500 years ago with a stick and ball game somewhere in England, and it was being played and played after that. But what does the word bat mean? The word bat means, it's an old English word which means a stick or a club. Well, when people started playing cricket on such a large scale, it so happened that they forgot to go for Sunday Mass. That is, they did not go to the Sunday prayer in the churches. That is why the playing of cricket was banned on Sundays. So, very simple. Why did they ban the playing of cricket on Sundays? Because the people did not go for the mass prayer to the church. Next is, in the beginning, the cricket bat was the shape of a hockey stick, and the reason for it was that the ball could be bowled underarms, and it was very easy, or it was good to make contact. The chance of making a contact of the bat with the ball was much. Next is the first place of where exactly we know where the cricket was being played is in southeastern England. Of course, before also that cricket was being played, but what we know of is that the cricket was being played in southeastern England. Then this game is very, very unique in certain ways, and the uniqueness of this game are, first of all, this match, that is the test match I am talking of, can continue for 5 days and still there is no result. It can end up in a draw. So, imagine the players actually playing for 5 days continuously, but in fact no result comes out. It ends up in a draw. But still people glue to the television to actually watch the match. Now, another uniqueness is that the pitch is of 22 yards, but the shape and size of the ground is not specified. Only the pitch size is specified, which is 22 yards, whereas the shape and size of the ground is not specified. Next is the ground's shape also, as I said, can be in any manner. It can be oval or it can be circular. So, there is nothing specified, and if you see what are the reasons behind it, this I am going to tell you later on as to why did such characteristics appear in the cricket. Then you must remember that the world's first cricket club was established at Hambledon in 1760, whereas the famous Marylebone Cricket Club was established in 1787. Now remember, all these uniqueness probably are because of its rural background, because the villagers played the game for days together, which ended up in a draw, and also because the grounds were of various shape, sizes, but they loved to play cricket and they were playing cricket, and which continues even today.